Alright, so this is in response to a question regarding number 51. So let's recap. A manufacturer's annual losses follow a distribution of the density function. To cover its losses, a manufacturer purchases an insurance policy with an annual deductible of 2. What is the mean of the manufacturer's annual losses not paid by the insurance policy? So let's identify a random variable. So I'm going to let y equal the manufacturer's retained losses. That is the losses that are not covered by insurance. So that means that y is going to equal x if the losses are between 0.6 and 0.6 and 2. And this is the amount of losses that the insurance will not cover because the deductible is 2. And the insurance losses that the manufacturer will incur if the losses are above 2 is just 2. Let me zoom out from here. What we're looking for is the mean of y, or the mean of the retained losses. So to recap, the mean is just y times f of y, but y is either x if it's between if x is between 0.6 and 2, and y is going to be 2 if x is between 2 and infinity. So we're just going to plug in all the information that we know. So it's going to be the integration from x, integration of x times f of x. So this is just the f of x from 0.6 to 2. And it's going to be plus the integration of 2 times f of x from 2 to infinity. Okay, so first let's simplify here. We have one x term here, and we have x to the 3.5. And then we can just we can integrate easily this one. So this becomes, this one becomes just 2.5 times 0.6 to the 2/5 divided by x to the 2.5. And this one integrates into 2 times 2.5 times 0.6 to the 2.5 divided by negative 2.5 times x to the 2.5. And this is just the normal basic rules of integrating x to the n. And in this case, just going to be x to the negative 2.5. So that's why you have this negative 2.5. And then you can integrate this really quickly. It's just going to be evaluated from 2 to infinity. Plug in 2 and plug in infinity. When you divide anything by infinity, it makes it so that this value approaches 0, so that we just end up with 2 times 0.6 to the 2.5 divided by 2 to the 2.5. And it's going to be a positive value because we're going to distribute this negative over. Okay, so we've put everything together. We have, this is the first term, so we integrated it. And then this is just the second term that we integrated right here. And then we evaluate from 0.6 to 2. So we just plug in, instead of x, we plug in 2, and then we plug in 0.6. And then we just add the last term that we had, and if you plug in everything into your calculator, you should get the correct answer. I hope this helps.